Alright, so today I got my power folding mirrors for my Civic hatchback. So let's see what's inside. It's just fragile all over the box, but it looks like it got kicked around and thrown around by the delivery person. Let's see what's inside. I got these from a seller on eBay. I guess he was Canada. He was in Canada, and it came with the harness. Came with the switch. And the two mirrors with plugs and pigtails and everything. Alright. Yeah, this one came with the pigtail also. So, yeah, there's one. There's the other. Got my switch, my relay, and my wiring harness. So this is pretty much gonna be a plug and play. I got a 12 volt, so hot all the time. Ground. Accessory switch, so that goes to the ignition switch, and then see if I can stretch it out. That goes to one mirror, that goes to the other. So 2, 4, 5 wires to each mirror, and that's what I have on the mirror. 3, 4, 5. So basically, just make these connections, run this guy to my switch, and my dash. Probably find the bracket for that and put it in the spot it's supposed to be. And yeah, then just run this under the dash, put some wire loom on it, make my connections. Probably have to add some wire to reach all the way. I don't know exactly where the guy cut them, but obviously one side is longer because one goes to the passenger side and one just goes to the driver's side. And yeah, so there they are. They don't look too bad. They got some chips and stuff, but these were painted black. So, you know, they got some chips and some scratches, but I'll just repaint these. So that's pretty much it. I've been looking for a set for a while. I found a set that came with the switch, but not the harness. And I almost bought them, and then I saw this one that came with the mirrors, the switch, the harness, and even the relay. So I bought these instead, because sometimes the switches by themselves can go pretty expensive. Sometimes the mirrors by themselves can go pretty expensive. And then this guy had the wiring harness, so that just saved me time and effort on making my own. I might have to like extend these wires, like I said, just to like get it tucked in the way I want it under the dash and up to the mirrors themselves, but that's about it. So yeah, I got those now. Pretty cool deal. They're gonna go in the Civic hatchback. All right, see you later.